I can keep everyday business documents moving with reusable, trackable signing workflows in Foxit eSign. This onboarding packet needs the new employee and hiring manager to sign without printing, scanning, or chasing attachments. From the Foxit eSign dashboard, I'll open Templates and choose the saved onboarding packet where the required fields are already placed. I'll add the names of the employee and the manager, then set their signing order. For this packet, I'll send by email. Online forms can provide a shareable link, and Foxit eSign offers connector options for familiar services like Microsoft 365, Google Drive, and Zapier. Before sending, I enabled automatic reminders under Settings, Reminder and Expiration, so Foxit will follow up automatically if either recipient leaves the packet waiting. When the new hire signs first, document status shows her step complete and automatically advances the packet to the hiring manager. After the hiring manager signs, the dashboard shows both required steps completed in the correct order. Foxit eSign then provides the completed packet with its tamper-evident audit trail and certificate of completion. I'll download the finished packet to Creative Corp's shared onboarding folder, where the employee record normally lives. This same trackable workflow keeps onboarding packets, sales contracts, and vendor approvals moving without printing or chasing signatures. Start a free trial of Foxit eSign and add it to one everyday workflow like onboarding or contracts. Need more information? Check out www.foxit.com. Did you find this helpful? Browse through our other tutorials now. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell for alerts.